What will your go-live look like when using JustAskEvie? Meet Dr. Graham. Shortly before Dr. Graham's first day using Cerner, he clears an hour on his calendar for a personalized workflow session. Meet Dr. Evie. Dr. Evie is one of many available provider super users who understands the clinical workflow here in the UK and has several years of experience using Cerner. During that hour that Dr. Graham cleared on his calendar, Dr. Evie meets with him virtually via screen share and shows him how to care for patients while using Cerner. She goes through his specialty-specific workflow, shows him how to make favorites, auto text templates, and answers any question he might have. After his personalized workflow session, whenever Dr. Graham needs help, he just hits a button from his smartphone, and Evie will receive a text message and call him back within seconds. Just like previously, Evie walks Dr. Graham through the EMR to answer his question. With the question answered, Dr. Graham can get away from the computer and back to his patient. With JustAskEvie, your clinicians will have a real-time response when they need it the most. They will have a peer who has been in their shoes available to answer their question. The request process is simple and consistent for all staff members. We also support nursing, and your organization can scale as needed for coverage and duration, as well as use any internal staff as an Evie to provide support. Are you prepared for your go-live? If not, just ask Evie.